Business today is more like warfare than you think. I spent 34 years in the United States Army. I commanded 150,000 soldiers. Now I advise Fortune 500 companies how to move fast when it matters most. You don't train for calm, you train for chaos. I'm going to teach you how to lead faster, move smarter, and build teams that don't break under pressure. Most companies don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because their leadership playbook is out of date. Avoiding risk isn't safe, it's slow, and slow is deadly. I'm General Stan McChrystal, and this is MasterClass.